I'm about to go to Publix to grab some ingredients. Let's go.
Comes creeping in, illuminates our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of what we did. It made me think of you. It made me think of you.
The ingredients you will need are cashews, coconut, cherries, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and coconut oil, and any kind of flour that you have.
Under a trillion stars, we danced on top of cars, took pictures of the stage, so far from where we are. They made me think of you. They made me think of you.
You can either use cherries or dried cranberries if it's easier. I recommend just mashing up the cherries with your hands so that you can have little cherry pieces. These are amazing. I love it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe down below. See you later.